warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Kaisha Sabina Nazar Umi and I'm from R4E class. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most important things, tenses in English. What is it? Yes, it is simple present tense. You use it every day when we're talking about habits, your routines, and even facts. Let's explore it together. The first slide is, what is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to talk about daily routines, facts, and general truths or habits, and then schedule. So, the simple present tense is used to talk about things we do regularly, like brushing our teeth and going to school. It also talks about facts or general truths such as water boils at 10 degrees Celsius, or the earth revolves around the sun. Yes, basically we use this tense for actions that are always true or happen again and again. Next is structure of the simple present tense. Now let's talk about the structure. First is for the positive sentence. Just use subject plus verb 1, but be careful for he, she, it, because you must add s or es the verb. For example, she walks to school. She walks to school. And then for negative sentence, use do not or does not plus base verb. For example, I do not like coffee, or he does not play football. And then for question, start with do or does, and then the subject, then the verb. For example, do you play piano? Or does he like cats? Next is when we use simple present tense. We use present simple tense in the situation. First is habits and routine. For example, I brush my teeth every morning. Second is facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. And third is schedule. For example, the train leaves at 7 p.m. Yes, the next is verb form. Here are some important verbs rule to remember. The first is add s or es for the subject of he, she, it. For example, she plays or he watches. And second, use base verb for the subject of I, you, we, and they. For example, they walk and I study. The third is use does for subject of he, she, it in a negative or question, like he doesn't like tea. Yes. Here, example of sentence. The positive, we can use the sentence of I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. and then she likes ice cream. Why do we ask in the final position of like? Because the subject is she. And then for the negative, they don't speak French. And then he doesn't go to school on Sundays. For the question, do you like coffee? And then does she study English? Echa, what does your brother do?
He works as a teacher.
Ta, do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
Hey Echa,
Hi guys.
what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Okay. Alright guys, let's we review about the material in my present. First, use simple present for habits, facts, and schedule. And then remember verb rule. Don't forget to add s or es for the subject of he, she, and it. And then use do or does for negative or question. Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice, and I will see you in the next video guys. Bye.